Welcome to Zorin OS 18! Woo! With Zorin OS 18 has arrived with its stunning new looks. It is now more curvy in the right places, and you have this function that it moves around desktop. I think this part, power mode, which allows you to performance, balance, power saving. They allow you to change them. And now in files, they give you this functionality. This placement of it is different, and you can search everywhere in your files now. Wow, like Windows. And you can also edit the file location. Whoa, yeah, previously you really cannot do it. I've tried last time. If I'm not wrong, I couldn't change the path easily, just like Windows, but now they have heard and they have changed it. So here they have added adjust for TV in this display settings, which is just making a border. All right, then sound, which I think over amplification is newly added. I'm not sure, or whether is it there already. Then here is power, which gives you the connected devices, balance, power mode, and the rest. Then let's see, backgrounds. Now they're more creative in Zorin OS 18. So now the wallpapers, they are showing off their creative design. So now here, if you want to have night mode, you can see there's half of the dark side, so that is where night mode works. Now here, mouse and trackpad, they have added this functionality, pointer speed, mouse acceleration, and here is the pop-up to show you what it does. So now it's much more friendly to allow users to understand. And here's traditional and natural scroll direction, and they have all of this testing for your mouse also, which is now more friendly to users to use and understand what they're doing. Okay, and they are still keeping this shortcut keys that you're allowed to customize your keyboard, which I love so much because you can change the functionality of the keys. So here is privacy and security, which they have changed the user interface, and now they have file and history trash, which allows you to delete automatically your bird watching history. And right here is checks for your hardware, which fail, and my secure boot also failed for some reason. Even though you see it is on, there's some reason with Zorin OS 18 that my secure boot is not working properly. So I don't understand. But now they have remote desktop that allows you to remote in while the system is idle or the user is not using it. Finally, it has it. Better late than never, I say, right? And here is the normal about Zorin OS 18 core, and you'll see the specs over here. And the driver is NV126, which is the default basic driver, and I'm going to update it because it is not so good. And they're using Wayland, so I'm going to show you the next video, Wayland versus X11, what's the difference and what is the issue. Okay, so now let's go to Windows. Tiling made simple, multitasking, you can move your window around depending on the tile on top to make it easier. So this is how you do it. Okay, so here is web apps, which lets you turn any website into a desktop app, accessible. It's kind of similar to like creating a shortcut on your desktop, but it's in an app. So well, it's similar to that concept. I haven't tried if you can use a document and create it default to these web apps to open like an online Word version, Microsoft Word version. If it works, then that is really good design. But if this opens a shortcut, then I think it's just normal shortcut. I will test it out in a later video, but this is how it works for web apps. Just put in the link and that's it. And this is my channel, Famous Cyber Amos, the best in the world channel. Really, they are using Brave Shield, which blocks all of this. And yes, they've changed from Firefox to Brave. And they have OneDrive integration, which you can integrate your account with Microsoft and OneDrive. And finally, they have Yellow Team. This is one of my favorite. I was planning to do a theme for this, so stay tuned, the new theme in my other videos. Now here is the others, the optimization, which I think is not really, because I've tried opening other apps and it took 1 minute, so I'm going to show you later on. And here is the latest one. You can search everywhere with the find in files, improvement in Zorin menu, which allows more than one display, refine in touchscreen behavior, and a remote login, which I really am happy with because you can open while the user is not using it. Windows Open Centered by default, I actually don't care. Enhanced audio, which allows better sound quality with lower latency on your headphones, Bluetooth headphones. After that, artworks, yeah, it makes it beautifully now, right? Yeah, they're more creative now. And they have expanded hardware compatibility, which I don't know because I don't have budget. If you want to support my projects, please watch more of my videos, like, subscribe, and feel free to donate if you can by pressing the thanks button near the subscribe button. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Amos signing out.